Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Precious. So you all know I traveled to Delta State and Kwale precisely. I've been in Kwale for like 4 days now, and today I'm going to Warri. Warri is another town in Delta State. I'm visiting Warri for the very first time with my friend, and this bus station where we are gonna take off Kwale to Ozoro, Ozoro to Ugeli and whatever, then to take another cab to Warri town. So guys, sit back and enjoy.
You be confirm food. You went see that time. Na transport like the transport.
You don't know English, then you go English. You can walk
Don't
the
play with him, mother. This is your car.
They are opening health center.
She's a who
They are
get
opening
person. Look at that, mother, this car.
education. English is celeb. We're doing education. Ministry of Education. English is celeb. Everybody can make a push back on a teacher. For English teacher now. When they were a conquer.
Now you the next so. Now you want to church when one JB.
On that call.
Church.
Welcome to Delta State University of Science and Technology, Ozoro. Guys, this university was once a polytechnic, as I heard. Okay, so if you don't know that such a university now exists in Delta State, here it is, Delta State University of Science and Technology, Ozoro, guys.
Don't see me emotional. Something say try make the call. Maybe the cost when the cost me abi.
Hello guys, so we now arrived at the junction. We boarded another bus to Warri. So guys, off to Warri town. So guys, the reason for this whole this whole Kwale to Warri is actually to go deliver a material to a tailor that will sew the clothes. My friend's material, yes. Oh my god, I fell in love with the woman's shop. This is the first section of the shop. The second section is where she has her sewing machine, her apprentice and all the rest. Then this second one is where she samples her materials that she sells, takes her measurements here. I so much hope to own my one day. So guys, that's the reason for this waka. Guys, guess what? I don't need to tell you to guess. As you can see, we branched to buy roasted plantain, aka bole. It was already evening, and the woman was already almost running up with her sales. As you can see, her section is as good as empty, so we bought bole. We couldn't eat it there because it was getting late, like I said. So my friend bought for her, and she had to convince me to try using groundnut to eat it. Guys, my face is something else. See my face. I'm actually reacting to the weather here or the water. I don't know, change of environment. We also bought guava. My god, the big ones. I love it.
Give us 250 now. Wow. I bet. See, now 3 1.
These are 50, 100, 150, 200, 300. Give me my carry now.
Guys, as you can see, I had to freeze this. This is a particular type of snacks I found in Warri that Warri people actually enjoy. It's made of gari, like I don't even know how they prepare it. But when I asked questions, my friend was not telling me that it's being prepared with gari, like the chaff. They actually allow it to stick together in the pot, mixed with some other ingredients, and is best enjoyed with roasted pork meat. Yes, roasted pork meat. Like it's a popular snack in Warri. So my Warri people, toilet for now. So guys, this is the end of the vlog for now. Thanks for always coming back to watch me. See you in my next video. Bye.